Welcome. In front of me is Nothing Phone 3, and in this video I will tell you what to do if your fast charging cable doesn't work. So the first thing I want you to do is check whether your charging cable or charging block AC adapter if they have any visible damages, and also check for compatibility with your phone. And once you check that and you're sure that they are compatible and not damaged, you can go to the settings, then find battery settings, and in battery settings select charging assistant and make sure that you have this toggle switched on. This way you will get the notification about your charging, whether the fast charging is working or not. Now I also want you to use a non-metallic brush. Of course, first of all, turn off your phone, and once you do that, use some non-metallic brush to carefully clean your charging port. See if maybe there's something inside, see if maybe your contacts are dirty. Now if all of this doesn't help, then check the cable itself. Try to charge another phone using that cable and see if it works with another phone, because this might be a cable issue, just not the visible one. And now if your cable works with another device, then you have to update your device. Update your device's software in order to make sure that your software is in touch with your hardware. So go to system updates, check for update, and check if your system is up to date, and if it's not, then take your time and install all the required updates. And that will be all for this video. I hope that it helps you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.